Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my social media planner for the week of September 23rd through the 29th using this amazing, really cute Sweet Candy Apples kit by ShineStickerStudio. So you guys, I absolutely love this kit. I have been waiting to use this since I got it last year. I believe I got it during Black Friday, but I could be wrong. I definitely got it last year. I've been waiting to use it, and it's finally time. It's finally fall time, and I'm very, very excited to use it. I'm actually on ShineStickerStudio's PR team, which I am so excited about. So if you guys want to save some money off of your ShineStickerStudio order, you can use my code Megan15 and it'll save you 15% off. And I'm absolutely so excited that I'm on her PR team. So I don't know. I can't stop talking about how excited I am. So as I mentioned, we're using the Sweet Candy Apples kit. It comes like this. I believe it's just a 2-page kit. And then I'm also going to be using some washi tape that I thought matched the spread a little bit, the colors in the kit. And then obviously we also have the Sweet Candy Apples deco. So let's go ahead and jump into this plan with me. Okay, y'all, this is the final spread in this month. Can you believe we've already been in this planner for a whole month? I cannot. I think it is just insane that it has been a whole month since I've been in this planner. Oh, I love this planner so much. I have actually been doing something a little bit different in my pre-planning pages. I actually do share those on my Instagram, my YouTube shorts. So if you are wanting to see, I'm going to make sure that this color is okay. Sorry if you hear loud noises in the background. I know I say that every time, but we have lots of noises tonight. Anyways, I do my pre-planning spreads on YouTube Shorts. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I plan out those spreads, you can check that out under the Shorts tab. But y'all, I'm just shooketh that it is almost October. I cannot find the end to this tape. I seriously, I can't believe it's already almost October. That is just ridiculous to me. It's just insane. It's so weird how fast time goes by, you know? It's so odd. So I am laying down the colors of this, the washi down on the spine in the colors of this kit. And I've never done 3 layers of washi like this before, so I'm hoping it turns out good. If not, then, you know, no harm, no foul. It's just a planner spread, so it's not like, you know, I'm getting a grade on this or anything. But do you guys like apples? Are you apples fans? I do like candy apples. However, I can't have them too much because not only is it not good for you, but I broke my tooth when I was younger, and I still have to be careful about all of the things that I eat, so I can't bite straight into an apple anymore, unfortunately. So I have to, like I said, I have to be careful with eating things like that, so I have to cut the apple. And why is this not going? Oh my gosh, am I done with my washi or my whiteout? Well, y'all, I just used the last bit of my whiteout and I can't get any more until I go to the grocery store. Anyways, I have to be really careful about food that I eat in terms of candies and things like that. So I have to watch my candy apple intake, unfortunately. But I do like candy apples. Don't get me wrong. I think they are delicious. I have to cut it in half and everything and eat it like a baby. Did you guys ever go to the fair growing up and have candy apples? Was that something that you guys did? I never went to the fair or a carnival or anything, because I'm not gonna lie, you guys, not only did my parents not they didn't trust the carnivals, and I understand why, okay? I really do. They are not the safest. So I'm not even mad that I missed out on that, like, childhood memory opportunity, because they are just... Carnivals can be very scary and very dangerous, so I'm actually not even upset that I missed out on that opportunity. But, you know, sometimes you're sad about the things that you missed, and sometimes you're just like, meh, whatever. And that's how I feel. But my question was, have you guys ever been to a carnival or not? And if you have, did you enjoy it? Did you like it? What did you do? I need to know. Okay, so far this spread is looking really cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. I think it's so fun. I just love ShineStickerStudio's kits. I think they're awesome. I'm going to leave this one a little higher just because Mondays are my posting for Sarah art, so I got to make sure I have space to put a box down. Actually, we can just do these two boxes here. We use this one for that. So I technically didn't really need to leave a space, but it's okay. It's fine. And then Friday, I've got to leave a little space as well, even though I don't really need to leave a space. Okay, so let's talk planners. Do you guys have your 2024 planners ready to go? Or sorry, 2025. I keep thinking it's not time for that yet. Do you guys have your 2025 planners ready to go, or are you waiting to get your planners? Do you have your lineup prepared? I want to know. Tell me all the things, you guys. Tell me what you think. Oh my gosh, we have to have star right here. Oh, the first day of fall is the 22nd. So let's put the happy fall, y'all, on Monday, since that's the next day after fall. And we'll put you guys here. Oh, so cute. Anyways, yes. How have you guys figured out your lineup for 2025 yet? Let's talk about it. I kind of have my idea already for my 2025 lineup. I know that, and I talked about this in my last plan with me, I know that I'm going to be doing a Hobonichi. That is the same. Ding dang. That's okay. I think I could probably merge it together with this one. I'm going to have a Hobonichi cousin for my, hold on, I'm sorry. I can't talk and lay this down at the same time. That's kind of my job. Well, it's not a job, but it's kind of what I'm supposed to do, but I can't. I think I'm going to do it like that. That's really cute. Anyways, yo. So, yes, so for my 2025 lineup, like I said, I have that Hobonichi cousin that I'm going to be using for social media. Then I have a Hobonichi Weeks. I'm not sure if that's going to be my catch-all or what it's going to look like for that one. But I have that planner prepped and, well, not prepped and ready. I've got to get my 2025, like, ideas down first. But that is something that I am actually working on during Lisa Marie's lives. So she does weekly YouTube weekly lives every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And recently every Wednesday she's been doing planner chat where she talks about, like, 2025 lineup. And the last live that she had, she was saying how she was going to there we go. She was going to have multiple parts, which makes me super excited. So that's what I've been working on while I've been watching her lives. Is I've been figuring out my lineup. Trying to figure out, because he's a little small right there, but I could do that. That's good. But yes, I have been trying to figure out my lineup since. So what have you guys been up to for your lineup? Have you been thinking of anything or trying to figure things out for your 2025 lineup. There it is. Losing everything. I think we're going to do that there. Like that. Then we're going to do these two for the edit list. So I have, like I said, my Hobonichi Weeks and my Hobonichi Cousin. I also have the extra pages from this planner because I am only using these guts all the way up through the end of 2024. So in 2025, I'm going to have a new planner, and we are going to set that up in a video, obviously, but I don't know if I want to use the habit tracker for that. I think we are going to use these two, though. Maybe we'll use this green. Yeah, we're going to put this one there and this one there. Okay. And then we have our YouTube collab loop group going up on Wednesday. So let's do the pink box for that. And the 29th. Okay, I was trying to think if there was another video that's coming out, and there's not. So we're just going to layer the rest of these. So the rest of the guts from this planner I'm actually going to be using as my challenges planner, and that's the first time I'm ever going to be doing a challenges planner, and it's because Lisa Marie has so many challenges that I like to participate in that I'm just going to make a whole planner about it. So that is the idea behind the challenges planner, and I will be, of course, setting it up with you guys so you can see how I have, like, how I'm setting it up and how I'm using it and all that fun stuff. You know what I just realized? I totally could put star right here because I'm putting this there. So let me get her. Where did she go? Oh, maybe not. Well, we can't put the candy apple there. So now we have to figure out something else to go there. We could still put star there. We'll just have to move this down a little bit. And then I also am going to be using a Skinny Classic planner in some way, shape, or form this year. I just don't know what it's going to entail or what it's going to look like. So that'll be exciting to figure out. And then I'm also going to be using a vertical planner of some sort and a couple more things. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure what my lineup is looking like. The only one that I know for sure are the challenge planner and my social media planner. Oh, and I also know that I'm going to have a wellness and health planner because I need that for, you know, health and wellness. Okay, guys, should I use the green or should I use the orange? I'm kind of leaning towards the orange here. So, yeah, that is my lineup ideas so far for this year. Do you guys have any idea of what you're going to be doing? Are you kind of just rolling with it? Do you guys like fall? I love fall time. Fall is probably one of my favorite holidays, or seasons, I should say. I do really enjoy the weather. I enjoy the atmosphere. I think it is really fun. And I like how happy everyone is and just how joyful it is. I just think it's a great season to be, you know, it's just a great season. I like the introduction to the holidays. That's what I kind of feel like Let's do Sweet Treat here. So I kind of feel like fall is, to me, is like an introduction to the holiday season. Let's put that there. And we'll do a yum there. Oops. Let's do orange. Oh, not that close though. There we go. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this season. I'm just doing a great job at talking today. You guys, I'm doing amazing. That's fun. I like that. Put this one down here. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love how cute this is coming together. This was actually supposed to be the pre-planning spread. I was going to make this my pre-planning spread decoration, but I decided that I really wanted to use it in this planner spread for the week because, I don't know, there's just something about apples that I just really like. I'm just a weird person, I think. I just really like candy apples. I really like the look of fun yumminess in a spread like this. I just think it's too cute. I'm really just sprinkling these along on the spread now because I don't really have an idea for what I want to do with the rest. So I'm kind of putting these around until I figure something out. Yeah, that's cute there. Okay. Let's see. Let's also do a this week title right here. Oops. There we go. And I don't need these to do titles right now, but I will put them in my reusable sticker book. But I do need my actual labels. So this is for the loop group. So let me get that label down. These YouTube Club loop group sticker scripts are from the To the Moon Co. These are custom scripts. And then the record and edit scripts that I'm about to put down are from Hello Happiness Co. They are not customs, but I like to use them anyway. I just ripped off the heart because I don't really need that in this. I do like to have a recording and editing list on my planner. So I'm just putting that there. I think this is going to be PR information maybe, and this is going to be new releases, one of those two. I'm not quite sure which, but when I do figure that out, I will add the label on there. I probably should put the days of the week on here too, so that I know what day I'm on. All right, y'all, what do we think? I love this. This is so fun. It's very like boing. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner using the Sweet Candy Apples kit from ShineStickerStudio. Once again, I'm on their PR team, so if you want to use my code to save yourself some money, go ahead and use that discount code. It is Megan15. As I said, it will save you 15% off of your order. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Don't forget to check out ShineStickerStudio. I will leave all of their information in the description box below, along with my discount code so you guys can save yourself some money. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a happy fall. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.